everyone, it's Natalia, otherwise known as Soju Nights online. And today I got a package in the mail, which was quite nice. I was like sleeping in like I always do because I work from home, so you can make your own hours. And there was a knock on the door, and finally this KoreaBox was delivered. So I recently decided to try this out. KoreaBox is a company that does like, you can get K-beauty, Korean snacks, or K-pop stuff, or K-drama stuff as well, delivered to your house. And one of the options of the subscription box was to get a mystery album of the month. So the way it works is you sign up and then you email them with a list of albums you already have, which I don't have that many because I only recently started collecting albums because I was like a real digital person, but then I realized like K-pop albums are books essentially. They're gorgeous photo books. So you send them a list of albums you already own, and then you send them a list of artists that you like, and they send you random albums, hopefully off the list. We're gonna see. So I told them my two sad albums, one Monsta X and one EXO album that I own, and gave them a list of all the groups that I would like to own albums from in order of how much I like them. And they were really good. They made like a Google sheet and messaged me like, here, I've added you to this Google sheet where you can like input if you buy any new albums. You can input like the albums that you get every month so that they don't send you the same album that you already have. I think that's like really nice. The customer service so far has been incredible. They emailed me personally when it got shipped. It should have been here a little sooner. There was a bit of a mix-up between like two different employees, like not knowing that I had already sent in my list. So anyway, but it came. So it was like a week late, but that's okay. So since Canada has a hilariously low limit for things you can order, for price of things you can order online, they very nicely undervalued and declared it as a gift so that I didn't have to pay any taxes on it, which was really nice of them. So let's open this. I'm going to try to be extremely careful because I don't want to really cut anything. So I've never ordered them before. This is not sponsored. I don't know why anyone would sponsor me. I have, like, no one watches my videos, so. Ooh, okay. April 2019. All right, we have a little newsletter. Oh, it's got like a nice little history of the Billboard's K-pop chart. BOA was the first singer to enter the Billboard's 200 chart. That's fun. Oh, look. It's a very cute little handwritten note. It says, "Dear Natalia, hi. We thank you for your first order and welcome you to become part of the KoreaBox family all around the world. We're very excited to send our box to Halifax. We hope our box with care brings you happiness. We're grateful for your interest in Korean culture. As a startup company, you're the most important. Please keep supporting us. Thank you so much. P.S. As a welcome treat, we added some stickers and a pouch." That's nice. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh. I don't know what this is, but I'm like excited. Okay, we got some BTS stickers. That's nice. I'm not like a huge BTS person, but I think they were having like a thing when I signed up that there was like extra BTS stickers for anyone who ordered. We have this cute little pouch. That's nice. Oh, look at this beautiful EXO thing. It's like from the war. Coco Bop. Oh my god. I just saw what album it is. Guys. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, first off, they sent this adorable little Monsta X banner thing that you can like set up on this. That is super cute. And oh my god, guys. They said, guys, okay. If anyone follows me on Twitter, they will know what a thirst demon I am for Taemin. Oh my god. Guys, they sent me Taemin's Want album. Oh my god. Guys. Oh, okay, before I open this, let's set this up. See what we're working with over here. Temper my excitement. Okay. Now, Monsta X, very timely. I am going to a Monsta X concert in August in Chicago. So if any of y'all out there are also going to the Monsta X concert in Chicago, hit me up. We should meet. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is like elaborate. Okay. Okay. Now, how does this, there's like a little, okay. I get it. So you gotta stick this in here. Stick this one over here, right through IM's hair. Or am I doing this wrong? No, this is the right way. I think that I'm just, here we go. I just needed to adjust some stuff. So we gotta bend and stick that through there. Yoink. It's a bit tricky. It's tricky to rock around, that's right on time, it's tricky. Child it. Ugh. Guys. Okay. That's nice. Look at it. Look at this little Monsta X standee. My little EXO button. Chill. Guys, I'm like so happy about this. Okay. So get rid of this trash. And now we gotta unbox this Taemin album. I'm so excited. Taemin is essentially my thirst trap, and and he knows it, because here's what the back of this album reads. Want will leave you wanting more, thirsting for more. That's the truth. Okay, so I've got to delicately, very delicately rip open this plastic. I'm like hilariously bad at getting plastic things open. Come on. Come on. Dang it. Don't want to scratch the album. Okay. Oh, oh. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's open. Oh gosh. Oh my sweet papoose. Oh Jesus. Why are you so handsome? Okay, now we got the stuff in the end. Oh, look at this. We got like a little Taemin standee. That's nice. And a hilariously adorable little photo card to add to my collection. A fan art social platform. We got like an ad for something. Okay, let's continue our exploration of this album. Oh. Turn this around. K-pop albums are just so beautiful. Like, North American albums cannot compete. There's just no way. So it's got like every song. Oh, and each song has its own like vibe of photos. Oh my god. Guys. KoreaBox, you done seen me. You seen me on this one. So it renews every month, so I'll be getting another box. Oh my god. This is too much. This is too much for my heart. This is too much. This is so, like, I've been new that by KoreaBox. They looked at my tweets or something and just saw how utterly thirsty I was and was like, we gonna send this girl, like, just Taemin, just everything, look at this. Oh, why is he so good looking? Like he's so pretty. Look how pretty he is. Look at this. And he's so talented. It's disgusting. Like, so, oh, God, we got some, this, like, light leak. Oh my God. He's just so wonderful. And he seems like such a nice guy. Like, oh my God. So, oh, look at this last one. Look at this. Look. So, this is what you get your first month with the KoreaBox. Big fan. So, it was $35 US. This is, as I said, this is not sponsored in any stretch of the imagination. I paid for it out of my own PayPal account. So next month I'll be getting another mystery album. Who knows what I'll be adding to my collection. But they knocked it out of the park. They knocked it out of the park with this one. Bravo. KoreaBox. Do recommend the album box from KoreaBox as so far. We'll see what they send next month. So, like, this is pretty great. Bye. This has been Unboxed to X with Natalia, aka Soju Nights. I make new videos every week, so please be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more nonsense with me. Yeah. If you really want to support some of the stuff I do, I make t-shirts and bags and things designs. I'm a graphic designer. I make K-pop and K-drama designs. The link is down below. I'm always updating with new stuff. And if you want to see more of these videos, and you want to just sort of support me in my endeavors, there's also my Patreon is down below. Lots of links. So the Patreon basically pays for me to order these albums, and I really appreciate it, so I really appreciate all that you guys do to help me stay independent as an artist, and be able to create K-pop fan art as my life, which has been just wonderful. So thank you to the Patreons, and thank you to everyone watching this. Alright, have a great day. Bye!